All right, hey, ladies and gentlemen, Alan here with the Contractor License School, and we're getting ready to close out on 2025. We only have 2 more months, can you believe it? And so because of that, I want to offer you a special. Now, this is how to get a contractor's license in 2025, end of the year special in Chula Vista. And so here I have one of these. You could always request one of these, but it has the different licenses that we take care of, and there's a ton of them. I wouldn't even be able to read them all off because you would be here and you'd be bored to death. But basically, it's the general engineering, the general construction, all of your specialty license, like your plumbing, your electrical, your flooring, your landscaping, all of those. We cover them all. There's almost 60 of them in total, right? Not including the D licenses, which are like your tree trimming, glass blowing, all that kind of stuff. There's like 20 in there. In fact, you can request this and we can get that for you. But what is this end of the year special? What do I mean? And so I want to talk about that before I talk about the specifics on how to get your contractor's license, okay? Which we'll talk about in a minute. Now, the cool thing is this. We want to make sure that because of Thanksgiving and Christmas, we celebrate those 2 holidays. They're very important to us in our business. And so we want to pass down that gratitude to you. And we want to make sure that you know that not only we celebrate those, but we also celebrate you as a contractor. We believe in you and we know that you can do great things. And the economy's been a little bit tight, right? It's been a little bit tough. And so we're offering you a special. We're going to reduce our price for these 2 months only. And maybe you're not able to start in November and December, but you could put a deposit down of a couple $100 and then come in January, start then. Maybe things are slammed right now for you. Maybe things are tight right now, but we just want to get you in and get you in the process, right? We want to get you moving forward so that next year you can really take on some amazing projects. Let me just add this. I don't know if you know NVIDIA. It's a stock. It's very important. They build out AI semiconductors. But Mr. Wong, who's the president, said this: the coming future, in the next couple years, the millionaire type businesses that are going to launch are all going to be centered around predominantly construction. So that means there is a lot of money to be made. A lot of people went off into tech and all these other things. There's a lot of money to be made in construction. So not only are you getting the benefit of a reduced price because we want to celebrate these 2 holidays and go out with a bang in 2025, but we also want to benefit you and make sure you have the opportunity to reap the reward of that reduced price. And at the same time, we want you to know that the future is bright for construction. As interest rates dropped, as you see over the last couple of weeks, houses are going to be sold more and people are going to start remodeling them more. The millionaire companies that are coming are construction. So let me go ahead and just let you know, go ahead and give us a call and or email us, comment below, and we'll reach out to you. It's best if you can call us. That's the best route. And we'll get you the details. Basically, we're just going to beat everybody's price, okay? And we're going to offer you a discount. So let me go into how to get the contractor's license since you've been waiting for that moment. Well, the first thing is you got to get the right information. We're the school with the right information, okay? I do want you to know that. The other thing is you want to get into a good school. Well, I think we're a pretty good school. Our curriculum is different than all others because we wrote it. We don't just order it from a distributor like a lot of schools do. I found a discrepancy in that curriculum, and I wanted to rewrite it and create our own curriculum that takes care of our clients and that helps them to learn the best way they possibly can. I was an elementary school principal for 5 years and also an educator, and so I took some of the best and most practical principles of learning and I applied them to your curriculum. And you're going to see. You've never seen anything like it. It's completely different than anything that you've ever been to, even if you visited another school. The other thing is that we offer a variety of bonuses once you sign up. Look, we want to enter you into our ecosystem. We have stuff where you can be a part of our Home Pro Works website, which generates leads for you because people are always calling us asking for, hey, do you know a contractor? How can you help us? Well, we're going to refer them to that site. They're going to set up their platform, and then they're just going to reach out to you because you went through our system. In fact, interesting enough, we don't allow people who didn't choose our school to be on that platform. You have to have gone through our school and have a license now to be on that platform, and then people find you. So that's just another added benefit for why you'd want to join our school. So that's about our school. The other thing is the state requirements. Well, you do have to have 4 years of experience. You do have to have a valid social security number or ITIN, and you do have to be over 18. Hey, as long as you got those 3, you're ready for us, right? We're ready to take you on. You can come on in here, get your discount, and get rolling. Now, don't worry about all the particulars. Now, I'm going to run through them, but we're going to walk you through that. We want to make it easy. We want you just basically to study, know your tests, know our quizzes, so you can go pass the state exam. Everything else, like that daunting application, that's like when you print it out, it's like 30 or 35 pages, something like that, with all the notes on how to fill it out. You don't need to read that book on how to fill out your application. We can do this in our sleep. We're going to take care of that. It's so easy for us. You know, we've been doing this for over 15 years. We got your back. We want to make sure that that process just goes smoothly for you. So we're going to fill that out. You're going to send that off to the state of California, and it's going to be done right. All the I's are going to be dotted, T's are going to be crossed. Now, the next thing you need to know is this, and that is you're going to go take the test. So you turn in the application. It gets processed, and then it gets accepted. Then you get a nice letter in the mail that says, hey, guess what? You're ready to take that test. Now, they're not going to send you the dates. You're actually going to go to a website that they give you, and you're going to fill out, you're going to go to that website, and you're going to fill out not the application, you're going to fill out the test date right there. In other words, you get to pick your own test date. That's awesome, right? So do you have to take both tests in one day? No. If you want to, you can. You can actually choose a school by the beach if you want to go there. If there's a state testing facility there, you could choose a location. And if you want to go anywhere in the entire state of California, from San Francisco, Sacramento, all the way up north to Wairika, all the way down here to San Ysidro, there are state testing facilities that you can jump into. But basically, you get to pick the date and the time, and then you can go take your test, one at a time or both at the same time. Don't worry about it. The tests are only 125 questions. They're pretty easy to pass. You have to get a 67 to a 69%, depending on the test, which is basically a D-. You should be able to do that pretty simple, right? We're going to prepare you, and if you can pass our test, you can pass the state exams. You'll be fine. The other thing I want to make you aware of is once you do pass that test, hey, don't run out of there, with your hands screaming and shouting, I passed, and leave. Stay there. They're going to give you a pass packet. Bring that pass packet back. We're going to help you fill that out, because there's a few things you're going to have to do, like, show that you either do or do not need workers' compensation insurance, that you don't necessarily need general liability, all that kind of stuff. You don't have to worry about that. Again, you just practice passing your tests. We'll take care of the rest. And the other thing is, bam, how do you get going? Well, we set you up with leads because you're going to sign up for Home Pro Works after your license, which generates leads for you. And the other thing is you're going to get your branding, advertising, and marketing. Like, check out this cool shirt, right? It says Contractor License School. Well, if you need our help, we could set that up. The website, the internet marketing, all that kind of stuff, because you're going to want to set your presence. Now, if you already got that, more power to you. That's wonderful. That's great. We just want to make sure that you're stepping out and getting things going in a right pathway for you. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and I really am. I'm excited to see you in our program, excited to see you part of our stuff. Here's our phone number at the end, and don't forget to subscribe. We want to bring you more valuable information. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.